Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now we have to find a special number which is called build number. It is right here, and all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system, and as you can see the developer options will appear right here, so let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can simulate the color space, we can show view updates, we can change the window animation scale, and here we've got some options which are connected with the networking. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose this one, so simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this switcher on this highlighted section, next to it, and as you can see most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.